Hey everyone, my name is Erica, and in this video, I will be talking about how event instances within purchase option and events are automatically added.
So we are within purchase options and I selected store configuration from the setup and from the app drawer. And so I am going to go into an existing membership, which is the 6-month unlimited membership. If I scroll down to the advanced settings, so let's expand that, and I select events, which I have already, you will see here the events that are accessible with this membership. So I have the following events. However, I do want to showcase this particular event, which this membership has access to. So these are the event instances that are available with this event. However, I have realized that there's going to be another event instant as a business owner. So I want to ensure that is reflected here. So now with this improvement, if I do add a new event instance, it will automatically appear within this purchase option. So let's go ahead into that particular event and create that new event instance. Okay, so still within setup, I selected services and events, and I'm going to select this particular event here, which is a training. So let's go ahead and select that. And I'm actually going to select manage my schedule because I want to add a new event instance. So I see the previous ones over here. If I scroll down, I'm going to indicate that I want to add a new event instance. And here is where I'm introduced to the flow. Let's select next. And so first you are going to put in your time. So for this one, I'm going to select 6 o'clock p.m. and it's going to be 1 hour. Now, I don't want it to be a specific date. I want it to be multiple days with the start date being, I'm going to indicate June, and it's going to end on the 30th. Scrolling down a bit, I'm going to select the days of the week, so it'll just be every Monday and repeats every week in that time range. Let's select next. I'm going to select the instructor that's going to lead this. So I'm going to select Elizabeth, Callie, and select next. If I want special instructions, I can go ahead and do that. But for this one, it's not applicable. And let's complete. Okay, so I can see that it has been added for that date range, the day, the time, and the location, as well as the staff. So now let's go back to our purchase options within store configuration, again within the setup, and I'm going to go into my membership, the 6-month unlimited membership, which is where we started. If I scroll down, again, let's expand our advanced settings. I'm going to go into the section, not classes, but events. And if I scroll, I can see now that event instance has been added. So it actually extended the existing one that I had. So previously it ended in the beginning of May. Now it has extended all the way to June 30th. And so there you have it. Anytime that you are adding a new event instance and that event is reflected within your purchase options, it will automatically update. And that is everything for this improvement. Hope you have fun, and I will see you in the next video.